What's the meaning of chica? Chica. Chica.
Chica. Chica. Chica is a Spanish word that can be translated to English as girl or young woman. It is commonly used in Latin American countries and Spain to refer to females of varying ages, from children to young adults. The term can also be used as an affectionate nickname for a female friend or romantic partner. In some contexts, chica may carry a connotation of attractiveness or desirability. Overall, chica is a versatile term that is widely used in Spanish-speaking cultures to refer to females of all ages.